Reach for Hope is a 501c3 charitable organization that was birthed as an outreach to Dallas inner-city kids in an effort to steward their lives and restore the family in our community. Out of that came Homework Center, a free neighborhood after-school program that tutors, feeds, and sometimes even clothes students who are in need. The future of the world belongs to these children, and the Homework Center gives them a hope, stability, and a chance to understand how to succeed in life.
This year we held our first backpack drive in the South Dallas community of Bonton. We gave away over 1,200 backpacks, 1,200 hot dogs, and 1,200 smiles. With organizations like His Bridge Builders, Prestonwood Baptist, and Gateway, we will continue to impact lives on a major scale. Yet our work has just begun. Your gift can radically change the lives of students. To donate or get involved, go to reachforhope.com. Your gift allows us to steward the course of a student's life, offering them a gift of hope and a path to success.